What's good, people? Just letting everybody know, man, you got good people on your team. Treat your people right. Take care of them. And pray that they work out, because over here on my end, building a team seems impossible. And it's like, the more I try to help people and try to put people on and pass on the blessings, it's like the further I'm sinking. And it's to the point now, man, where I don't even know what to do. I got all this work, got people calling my phone, I'm turning down work, I can't get to it. I took in a bunch of work up here thinking that I had a team. Everybody gone. Everybody complain about every little thing. It's too high, this and that. Man, I don't even know no more, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I literally been just shedding tears all night, man, trying to figure it out. Like, man, I'm 46 and I'm still trying to get it. And it's like I got a lot going on, but I have nothing going on. And I can't do it all by myself, man. Mechanic work is hard. I might have a car that might pull up and it might take a half a day to get it going and figure it out. You know what I'm saying? But that's mechanic work. It's diagnose, is this, is figuring out the problem. But when it's just me and I don't have a team, I be done spent half a day just on one car. I still got projects in there that ain't been touched, or if I have touched it, it need attention. I got my own car I'm trying to build. It be some days I have to go over there and just turn a couple of bolts on my car just to make it seem like I touched it, just so I can ease my mind. You know what I'm saying? And it's, people say they'll help you, man. I can't really call on nobody but my mama, man. Shout out to all the mamas out there, man. This, man, dog. A lot of people out here say what they'll do for you. I know a lot of people with money. They'll tell you this and tell you that, man. People don't be meaning that, dog. I think the only reason people offer me the offers because they feel like I'm not gonna never ask. So they always, yeah, boy, you need some help, boy, man, anything, man, just call me, I got you. Man, people don't be meaning that, dog. People don't mean it. Because in that case, I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in if I had just a little help. I'm the one that don't never get the benefits. You know what I'm saying? Even like when the PPP loans and stuff was going on. Man, I know people that don't even have no job history getting 30,000, 20,000, 15,000. I tried to get 15,000 and use my real business, my real shit, and got denied, man. And I'm watching people that never even had a job in their life, man, get 20 grand. Like, man, I can't never get the big break. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a bad person. I pray. And I don't want to hear nobody saying who you pray to, because don't none of us know who we really praying to. A lot of people pray to Jesus. I feel like he wasn't the creator. He was just another man able to receive the knowledge. So, no, I don't pray to him. I pray to the Most High. You know? And even when I was praying to Jesus, stuff wasn't no better. So that's, I mean, it don't make no difference about that, man. We supposed to have the same power. So we supposed to be able to speak our existence, speak our destiny. That's why sometimes, if you notice, you could talk about something so much and it be on your mind so much till it actually happened. Then you say, thank you, Jesus. Now, you thought that, you brought that here. You supposed to have that same power. And that's what that man was trying to tell us. We can do it. We can't clear our mind. We so used to watching each other pockets and watching what this person do and watching what that person do till, man, we can't even help each other out here, bro. For real. I'll see a person just buy an average hoe, $500-600 worth of merchandise just for capping reasons. I can't even ask nobody for $1,000 and get it without damn near having to argue about the shit or something. Like, bro, you know my worth. Like, I don't have no credit. I'm just now building credit. I wasn't taught about credit coming up. My OGs used to say credit was like a paper trail. No, keep them folks out your life. Nah, man, they taught me wrong, bro. I should have been building credit. That's why I be trying to pass this knowledge on to the youngsters, man. Man, before you start getting in relationships and love and bringing kids into the world, man, get yourself straight, man. Don't be like me, man, damn near 50 years old and still trying to figure it out, man. It's crazy out here, man. I don't have no credit, no working capital. I just figured out, well, not figured it out, I just found out what working capital is, man. My partner, my business partner, he like, man, we don't have working capital, man. That's why it's hard on us. I'm like, what the hell is working capital? He like, man, that's bread you got put up for times like this when people can't pay or everybody having it hard and people trying to pay you in payments. You got working capital to take care of your business and keep going forward. I didn't know about working capital. I call that shit like a nest egg or a stash spot. But when all your money that you make is almost accounted for all the time, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got a lot of responsibility. You know what I'm saying? I got stuff I like to do. Like, I like to play with my cars and stuff. But the stuff I like to do is, it's just like I bought my music. That's something I like to do for myself, but you best believe if times got hard enough, I can get majority of my money back. I know people that miss off money on stuff and that money just gone. At least the stuff that I like to do that makes me happy, it can bring money back. I like cars and music. Cars and music always sell. I can post my car right now and sell it. If I had to, if it came down to it, that's what I would have to do. I've done it before. In my younger days, I done sold a car to pay rent and bounced right back with another car. But I'm getting tired of that, man. And I'm getting tired of people being around me and just tell me this and tell me that because they feel like I'm not going to ask for it, man. Big G don't never ask for shit. Shit, I can tell him anything. Yeah, boy, you ever need anything, boy, just call me. I got you. And soon when I call this, I can hear it in their voice. Oh, man, you know this ain't a good time. Well, shit, it was a good time just 2 days ago when you was telling me, you know, ask you or whatever. But that's been going on all my life, man. That's why I just try not to even ask people for nothing, bro. And then I hate when people say, damn, bro, why you going through that? You ain't let me know, I would have helped. No, you wouldn't have, dog. No, you wouldn't have. So don't nobody get in my comments with that, man. I ain't even doing that for that, man. I'm just really venting. Just letting other people know out there, man. You know, I know there's other people going through stuff, but it's crazy when you trying to give blessings to help people come up, to help yourself come up. Like my everyday mechanic work. I'm trying to pass that on to somebody so they can make some money. I can make some money off the percentage and still do my projects. That's a win-win situation. You know how much everyday mechanic clientele I got? I got 2 people trying to drop off vehicles right now for front end suspension work and something else. I had to tell them, man, I can't do it today. I got enough on my plate that I need to get out of here. I'm turning down work and at the same time trying to give it to somebody and won't nobody accept it. They look at me like I'm crazy. I got a YouTube page. I'm monetized on YouTube. I'm trying to tell people, look, man, get your page together. I can get you monetized. I can introduce you to the crowd. I can help you build something. I done it before. People won't even accept that. Oh, man, I don't want to be on no camera. But then you'll get on social media for some bullshit and have your face all in that shit. Somebody fighting or somebody arguing. But when it come down to some money, oh, man, I don't want to be on camera. Man, put me in the back. Man, come on, man. How you going to get money being in the back? Like, man, this is crazy, bro. And I literally been up crying, man, grown man. Crying, bro, trying to figure this out. Like, what the fuck am I doing wrong? Trying to give it away. Trying to give it away, man. I'm giving it away. And still can't get forward, man. I'm trying to bless somebody so I can bless myself and elevate, man. Giving it away. You ain't got to give me nothing. Just come take charge. Get all the goddamn everyday numbers out my phone. Tell them, hey, don't call G no more. Call me. Call me. Call me. You need brakes, oil change, shock struts, call me. Gas tank drop, call me. Let me do my projects. I don't have to do everyday mechanic work. I can do the projects. That way I can focus on that. But it's not going nowhere, man. And I'm to the point where I don't even know what to do no more, man. I don't know what to do. I'm just calling people now and telling them to come get their cars, man. Whatever work I done, I'm to the point where I gotta move from up here. I can't keep enough help, can't keep enough money circulating because I'm by myself. The money is here. If I show you the parking lot and show you the prices, the money is right here. But it's only me. So it don't matter that the money's sitting out here if I can't make it. I got cars ready to go now. They need little simple stuff. I need help. You know, little stuff. But it's just not working, man. I don't know what to do, y'all. I just had to get this off my chest, man. My business is failing. And it's because I can't find no fucking help, dog. Not because I'm a bullshit mechanic. Not because I'm fucking people cars up. Bro, my business is failing is because I have too much work and not enough help. Man, do y'all know how this shit feel, man? I don't even have time to keep up with my YouTube channel, man. It be days I be wanting to shoot 2-3 videos. Every time I pick up the phone, there's somebody pulling up. Somebody this, somebody need me here, somebody need me here. That's a good thing to be getting that much attention, but I can't do it all. So it's still even out to like me not doing nothing. I can't do it all. I probably could have made $700 today, but I can't get to everything. So I only made $250 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's rough, y'all. I ain't trying to talk y'all head off, man, but it's hard out here, dog. And like I say, what's crazy, I'm having a failing business for having too much work and not enough help. Can y'all imagine how that feel, dog? Well, I got a long day ahead of me, y'all. I don't know how this day gonna end, but it's not looking good. So, I'll catch y'all on the streets, man.